English, Grade 4, Block 19, Persuasive Writing by Teacher Shikha. Students understand that supporting reasons with facts and opinions makes a good persuasive essay. Students can list one or two supporting reasons for a topic with help. Student can make an argument around an opinion by listing supporting reasons and facts. Additionally, student can list clear supporting reasons with evidence against the opposing point of view. Keywords: topic sentence, closing sentence, facts, opinions. Great for children. Persuasive writing intends to convince readers to believe in an idea or opinion and to do an action. Many writings, such as criticism, reviews, reaction papers, editorials, proposals, advertisements, and brochures, use different way of persuasion to influence readers. Hence, finding facts and convincing people whatever you are writing is very important to form your opinion. In a persuasive essay, it is the writer's job to convince the reader to accept a particular point of view or take a specific action. Persuasive essay require good research, awareness of the reader's biases, and a solid understanding of both sides of the issue. A good persuasive essay a good persuasive essay demonstrates not only why the writer's opinion is correct, but also why the opposing view is incorrect. Hence, you have to be very clear about the topic chosen and you have to be fixed with your side of opinion. Getting ready to write persuasive essay. Pre-writing for the persuasive essay. The pre-writing phase of writing a persuasive essay is extremely important. During this phase, students should plan every aspect of the essay. Points. Choose a position. Students should think about the issue and pick the side they wish to advocate. Picking up a side, the most important. Another point is understand the audience. In order to write an effective persuasive essay, the writer must understand the reader's perspective. Is the writer undecided or inclined to favor one side of the or the other? Very important aspect. Who is going to read your essay? To plan, the moment you plan to write an essay, you have to follow these particular points. Next point, do the research. A persuasive essay depends upon solid, convincing evidence. Don't rely on a single source. Pull information from multiple websites and reference materials. Speak with community experts and teachers. Read and take notes. There is no substitute for knowledge of both sides of the issue. Find it, which is your chosen side, and then do the research. Research part is super important, children. You have to find the facts, whatever you're talking or writing. Next point, identify the most convincing evidence as well as the key points for the opposing views. Organizing the persuasive essay outline and structure. Next, create an outline. Organize the evidence to build the strongest possible argument. If the teacher has specified an essay structure, incorporate it into the outline. Typically, the persuasive essay comprises 5 or 6 paragraphs. Remember, you have to convince your audience by deciding which topic you are choosing and finding facts and make your own opinion. Now, this is a chart persuasive writing sentence starters to take a help of it, how you can start your sentences. Once you made and followed the chart, it will become easy for you to convince or to say, to convey your topic in a clear manner. Following this chart would be a great help to write to when you are writing your persuasive writing, because in that these 4 sections which are divided will make it clear to you how to write the sentences, how to form it. So in this first card, the sentences are general. Many people, before that, some people, etc. After general comes specific, personal, and evaluation. Such charts are very helpful. If these charts are handy always in front of our eyes, this will be like a lesson plan. You don't have to think much. You will automatically follow the rules and write perfect persuasive writing. Children, if you want to write anything on any topic, think about it carefully and find the facts, and don't mix the junk and the fact together. Fact has weightage, it has some value. So, whenever you are writing anything, you can do your findings and make your own opinion on the chosen topic. So, children, making your own opinion and staying on that is something what you have to start from grade 4 onwards, because the moment you convince yourself first and try to convince others with the proper findings and research. That is persuasive writing. Convincing on whatever you are writing is correct. Have a great day ahead, children. Thank you. Bye bye.